This is the Meadow House, designed by Mark English Architects, a modern home that blends with the natural landscape of Santa Lucia Preserve in Carmel, California. The house follows a Z-shaped layout, wrapping around an ancient oak grove. This design preserves the open meadow views while creating private outdoor spaces. The exterior combines weathered steel and cedar, allowing the structure to age naturally with its surroundings. Indoor and outdoor spaces merge through floor-to-ceiling retractable glass doors. These doors invite natural light while providing seamless access to the landscape. Inside, spaces flow effortlessly. The sunken lounge creates an intimate gathering area. Shoji sliding screens in the kitchen offer both openness and privacy. The library adds a quiet retreat within the home. The residence spans 7,923 square feet on a 3.86-acre lot. It features 6 ensuite bedrooms, 2 half baths, a media room, a yoga and meditation retreat, and a separate guest house. The Meadow House is designed to complement the landscape, integrating seamlessly with nature rather than standing apart from it.